Hi everyone, a very happy
Hello,
Independence Day. How you all are
thank you,
feeling?
ma'am. Great.
कैसा लग रहा है आज इंटरव्यू में आकर आप सबको?
Very
I'm really
excited.
excited.
It's very
Yes, ma'am,
exciting.
me too.
ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट किया है और उसके
सही
बाद
बात है।
इंटरव्यू
Actually, you have done a great achievement. It's not only about मतलब number of marks, but ultimately आपने अपने आप से जो आपका पहला परफॉर्मेंस था और जो अब आपने अचीव किया, it's a really great achievement. Actually, I had a plan कि all the time we celebrate Independence Day by some patriotic songs and all. ठीक है, आज भी मैं एक ये वेबिनार ये सेमिनार अटेंड कर आई हूँ. तो in that also I have discussed कि independence is not only about independence from Britishers, जो हमें already 75 years पहले मिल चुकी. Independence for all of us actually mean independence from our fear. मतलब हमारे जो मन में डर है या we have some barriers, we actually need to get independence from the same. And you all have actually done really good. That's why I have kept your interview. All right, so we'll be first starting with some of the students that have actually attempted the exams for 12th standard from different areas. And yes, no doubt, these are the topper of their areas of the school. We'll start with Genia Verma from Punjab area. Now, Genia, you actually have to share your experience, your gained marks, and feel comfortable, whatever language you like, Hindi, English, Punjabi, feel it okay, ठीक है? तो please share your experience कि आपने किस तरह से आपकी strategies रही थी, how you have scored, online education के बारे में आपका कैसा experience रहा last time? Over to you, जी.
I started studying from you last year, and I remember it was the month of June. So I remember very clearly the lockdown started in March 2020. And I was so worried about, like, there are no tuition, so where will I gather the information about all the subjects? So one day I just googled that teachers near my area or accountancy teachers. So from, I don't remember the proper name of that site, and there your name was written, Ayushri Khanna. So I thought, why not to call her? That you told me that there will be a demo class. So I told you that I will not be available at that time. So you कि कोई बात नहीं, भी मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड कर देती हूँ, आई विल सेंड यू द रिकॉर्डिंग. तो आई जस्ट वेंट थ्रू दैट रिकॉर्डिंग एंड मैंने देखा कि there were a lot of students studying from you, and they were also taking demos from you. So they were also very comfortable with you. So from that, it just made up my mind that I'll join you. We all know कि online and offline educations are just poles apart.
Yeah.
Like there is a
And that was
difficulty.
the main question from your side, ki, ma'am, I have actually taken many demos, I have dealt with many teachers, and I'm just all satisfied. कि पता नहीं online कैसे हो पाएगा? Will you be able to मतलब catch all the topics?
Because I have took demos from a lot of teachers. Like one was from Delhi. Like I'm not criticizing anyone, but the thing was कि I was comfortable with offline education only. Problem ये था मेरा main तब. तो फिर मैंने अकाउंटेंसी की क्लासेस ली, ठीक है ना जितना भी है. तो फिर धीरे धीरे भी अगर कहा कि if I am studying accountancy from you, then why not economics?
Yeah.
So the main, like, the turning point began at that time when I just started to learn macroeconomics from you. Like that was a very difficult subject for me. And when I started to study from you, and like literally you just, मतलब पता भी नहीं चलता था कि कैसे याद करा देते थे. कभी पता नहीं चला मुझे कि पता नहीं, मतलब I spent 1 year on that. और आज एक ऐसा भी मेरे को मतलब लगता ही नहीं था कि मैं पढ़ भी रही हूँ मैक्रो में. पता नहीं रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स थी क्या थी, इतने मजे से किया कि बबलीन से भी मैंने बात करनी. बबलीन भी बहुत इजी रहती थी, नहीं दीदी दीदी सो नाइस, दीदी ने अच्छे से करा देना है. तो मतलब एक होता है मैं सब्जेक्ट में आपको
चेंज योर ओपिनियन कि ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन जैसी हो सकती है. ऑनलाइन
हो सकती
एक्चुअली
है
ऑफलाइन
if
जैसी हो सकती
unless if teacher is educated, well educated, that he or she knows how to deal with his or her students. So then मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स का तो मेरे को बिल्कुल पता नहीं चला कि कैसे हमने कर भी लिया, सिलेबस भी ओवर हो गया. Like we had 4 or 5 revisions in our end,
Yeah.
and we are just writing the question papers. क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी 5 बार ही हो रहे हैं. सभी कुछ पता ही नहीं चला. मतलब अकाउंटेंसी का था थोड़ा मुश्किल, पर मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का तो बहुत था.
Yeah.
तो फिर लाइक एट फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस आई वाज सो हैप्पी दैट बोर्ड्स विल नॉट अकर. इट्स ओके, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. पर जब लास्ट में देखा कि नहीं, मार्क्स मतलब कुछ ना कुछ लाइक सम पार्शियलिटी विल बी देयर.
पार्शियलिटी, और यू कैन से दैट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ, मतलब आपको ओवरऑल मार्क्स दिए गए हैं फ्रॉम योर पास्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस टिल 12th. अगर किसी बच्चे ने 12th में काफी अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट किया है तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस उसको अफेक्ट कर रही रिजल्ट्स.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. main like the main problem was for me ki I didn't scored well in pre boards of 12th. So that was just becoming a hurdle for me for the board exams result. But still like we can't do anything. तो फिर boards ये हो गए. मेरा पहले result ही आया.
88% marks and you are kind
yes,
of among your stream toppers. Yeah,
86%. Yes ma'am, actually मतलब किसी की भी लाइक आई हैव 2 सिबलिंग्स, तो किसी की भी न्यूज़पेपर में कभी फोटो नहीं आती. तो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट लाइक हाईएस्ट अचीवमेंट फॉर मी. यस,
कांग्रेचुलेशन.
कि हाँ न्यूज़पेपर में फोटो आई तो मैंने आपको सभी पिक्चर सेंड भी करी. मतलब बहुत ओवरऑल इट वाज सो गुड. मतलब मैं सबको ये कहूंगी कि आपके पास ज्वाइन करें. मतलब ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. मतलब जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आपके साथ, मतलब कि कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि टीचर है. इवन दो दिस इज समथिंग पर्सनल, पर आपके साथ ऐसा था कि कुछ मतलब एज यू नो कि कभी कभी कुछ लाइफ में इश्यूज ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि जब आपको होता है कि आप किसी घर वाले से भी लाइक बात नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज लाइक समथिंग अनप्रोफेशनल, बट आई विल चूज टू से दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन कि मेरा मतलब एक होता है ना मेंटली आपको कोई सपोर्ट कर रहा है. मतलब वो चीज भी मेरे को बहुत लगी कि ठीक है ना, मैं किसी से बात नहीं कर पाती थी, पर एक्चुअली मेंटल जब कभी कभी हो जाता है ना, मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन हो गया, तब बहुत बारी ऐसे आप ही मेरे सामने होते थे, नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा है. तो मतलब वो चीज मतलब टीचर एक टीचिंग प्रोफेशन को बहुत ऊपर लेकर जा रही है. अगर कोई टीचर ऐसा हो तो और क्या चाहिए. I don't think anything.
मतलब students like you are also appreciated यार. मतलब you all have never ever felt like, मुझे कभी ऐसा पढ़ाते हुए मतलब everyone in general ask me कि like अब कहीं भी जाती हूँ ना तो लोगों का एक जनरल क्वेश्चन होता है, are you teaching online या आप ऑफलाइन भी करा रहे हैं, आपके घर पर स्टूडेंट भी आ रहे हैं. तो माय जनरल ओपिनियन इज लाइक कि मेरे को ऑनलाइन इतने अच्छे बच्चे मिले हैं, यू कांट इमेजिन. मतलब दे आर एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ माय फैमिली. और मुझे बहुत मतलब आई कांट एक्सप्रेस. मैं सुबह 6 बजे अगर उठकर पढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ ना, द डे इज वेल स्टार्टेड. इवन नाउ माय करंट बैच इज आल्सो डैम गुड. लेकिन लास्ट टाइम जो आप लोगों के साथ एक्सपीरियंस रहा, in the starting of the year I've asked you कि I actually want girl power. मतलब girls should actually rock and should be the highest one. So you have actually proved a lot. आप लोगों ने भी बहुत मेहनत करी है and you have always treated me like your family. So thank you so much. Genia, what are your future plans? What do you actually want to do?
Actually I at first I thought to do graduation here in BCom or anything, but my mind just changed from it because my siblings are abroad. So I thought why not to go there now only. So I'm just doing IELTS nowadays. So let's see what happens next.
Yeah, all the best. Best wishes for you. Thank you so much, Genia. Now next I'll ask Bavleen from Punjab only to share her experience. किस तरह से आपको लगा, क्या आपका पूरा साल का रहा, and please also guide your juniors. या जिस भी तरह से मतलब कोई भी अगर हमारा इंटरव्यू बाद में देखेगा, even though it's a kind of small scale, but no doubt we are no less than a champion. तो आप प्लीज अपने जूनियर्स को भी बताइए कि किस तरह से आपको थोड़ा सा स्टडी को मॉडिफाई करना चाहिए, किस तरह से आप तरीके चेंज कर सकते हैं. And what all will you suggest? Lovely.
Yeah, hello. Like last year when I joined you, it was I think mid of April or May. So in my 11th standard, I felt economics a very big burden on me. Like I won't be able to cope up with economics. And as the lockdown began, I was again in trouble that how I'll cope up with it. So when I just started like finding online tuitions, so I felt I think it was a site. I don't remember the site, but I tried you. There was a message from you that I'm teaching economics. You called me, so you said that we can have a demo for it. So next day we tried a demo. It feeling very comfortable with you on a very first day. So slowly and gradually, I just started being with you, and I learned a lot of things from you. Not in the my subject of economics, but also in my personal life. And I would guide my juniors to be very friendly with you, and she's a very nice teacher. As she instructs you, follow that because it may help you a lot. Like, and whenever I think our revision was over and you started with doing sample papers, so you told us to get up early in the morning. On last of 15th August, we prepared a timetable, a fear of independence. So we followed it, and I used to, even when I got up in the morning, I used to message कि दीदी मैं उठ गई, मैंने ये subjects किया, इससे किया. So that was very good. Even I was not a timetable, मैं follow नहीं करती थी timetable, but when you started कि नहीं अब दीदी के कहने पर करना है, दीदी को मैसेज करना है, तो वो थोड़ा हो गया, उसमें डिसिप्लिन भी आया कि नहीं अब टाइम टेबल भी फॉलो करना है. So I've had a very good experience with you.
Thank you so much. Actually, you were obedient, तभी तो experience अच्छा हो पाया ना. I still remember your mother, your I guess mom talked to me. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि Bavleen was very much scared for economics. जब भी उनका टाइम होता था कि इकोनॉमिक्स का एग्जाम 11th में इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़नी है, मम्मा इकोनॉमिक्स इज टू डिफिकल्ट. और मैंने उन्हें एक ही बात प्रॉमिस की थी कि मैम ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला, इकोनॉमिक्स इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. तो अगर आपने मेरा कहना माना
Seriously,
कि
like sorry to interrupt, but इकोनॉमिक्स में जितना मुझे बर्डन लगता था, मतलब 11th में माइक्रो और स्टैटिस्टिक्स मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगती थी. न्यूमेरिकल्स करने तो मेरे लिए था कि काश ये सपना हो जाए कि पेपर में न्यूमेरिकल्स आने हैं, बट जैसे जैसे आपने करवाना शुरू किया तो बहुत अच्छा गया. लाइक पता भी नहीं चलता था कि न्यूमेरिकल्स का फॉर्मूला भी इतना अच्छा रिवाइज हो गया कि निकल जाते थे क्वेश्चंस. जो नेशनल इनकम के क्वेश्चंस हैं वो तो हमारे टिप्स पे थे ना कि नहीं अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो इसे ऐसे और इस फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करोगे तो इजीली हो जाएगा.
द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर नेशनल इनकम बच्चों को लगता है कि सबसे मुश्किल चैप्टर है और इसके न्यूमेरिकल्स करना इज लाइक ओह माय गॉड. बट अल्टीमेटली यू ऑल हैव मेड इट पॉसिबल कि नेशनल इनकम ही सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दोस क्वेश्चंस.
सीरियसली उसमें मैंने आई थिंक 3 टाइम्स फ्लो चार्ट बनाई थी फॉर्मूलाज की डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज में कि नहीं इसे ऐसे करो. फिर मैंने सेंड भी किए, फिर कुछ जो मिस्टेक्स होती थी उन्हें करेक्ट किया, तो उसमें से वो टिप्स पे हो गया कि नहीं ऐसे हो जाएगा.
Ultimately you had a good experience. Congratulations. Now what are your future plans?
The same like Jeannie, I'm also proceeding with IELTS, and also as there are many refusals, तो पापा कह रहे हैं कि थोड़ा सा डिले कर लेते हैं एग्जाम्स में, तो एडमिशन ले रही हूँ बीकॉम में.
Okay, all right. All the very best. But please.
So Cheshta from Delhi will share her experience, and Cheshta, you can just start.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving such this opportunity to me.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Firstly, I was joined so late. I remember I joined in end of the January.
Yeah.
I thought, and I am so confused that time. What should do next? क्योंकि मेरी जो ट्यूशन टीचर थी वो लास्ट मोमेंट पे छोड़ गई थी, तो ना रिवीजन हुई, सिर्फ वन टाइम सिलेबस हुआ था, तो बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन थी. एंड उस टाइम पर मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ज्वाइन की, ऑफलाइन तो उस टाइम अवेलेबल नहीं थी क्योंकि प्रॉपर लॉकडाउन था तब. एंड तब मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस देखा 2-3. आई थॉट कि 2-3 और
डेमोज लिए थे आपने.
या डेमोस लिए थे, तो उसमें मेरे को जो सबसे हार्ड टॉपिक था मैंने सबसे वही समझा था। एंड मैंने आपसे भी सेम टॉपिक समझा था, दैट आपके वाला मुझे इतना इजीली समझ आया, तो मैंने कहा नहीं यहीं पे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। तो फिर आपकी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई, और फिर जो मेरे डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक्स थे हमने सबसे पहले वही कवर कराया, और मैं इतनी खुश कि नहीं भाई अब तो मजा आ गया। एक अकाउंट से मेरे को बहुत डर लगता था 11th स्टैंडर्ड में। मेरा जो ट्यूशन था वो इतना अच्छा नहीं था, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक भी टेस्ट नहीं लिया था उस टाइम पर, और बिल्कुल एंड था, और तब मैं बहुत डर चुकी थी भाई अब मेरे से अकाउंट नहीं हो रही अब। और इसलिए मैंने उसमें भी जो ट्यूशन लगाया था उन टीचर्स ने वन टाइम बस सिलेबस कराया और दैट्स इट। तो जब मैंने आपको ज्वाइन करा तो बस लगा कि अब तो मेरे शायद हो जाएगा, अकाउंट्स मेरे से हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत डर लगता था अकाउंट्स में सबसे ज्यादा।
आपकी मम्मा का कॉल आया था एंड शी वाज लाइक कि मैम वी आर वेरी मच कंफ्यूज्ड, अभी सारा साल पढ़ाई कर ली है और अभी एट द एंड टीचर ने बैकआउट कर दिया, शी माइट हैव सम पर्सनल रीजंस। तो शी वाज लाइक कि आई रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड शेयर्स, राइट चेष्टा? बट
यस।
अल्टीमेटली मतलब मैं आप लोगों को हमेशा एक बात बोलती हूँ कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रॉमिस मी दैट यू विल फॉलो मी, डेफिनेटली देयर इज नथिंग व्हिच यू कांट अचीव। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता कि आप अचीव नहीं करेंगे। एंड अल्टीमेटली यू ऑल हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड अ लॉट, और उसी की वजह से आप लोग अभी अच्छा स्कोर कर चुके हो। एंड व्हाट वाज योर स्कोर चेष्टा?
मैम 84%।
84। एंड for accountancy what was your score?
79।
ऑलराइट, ठीक है।
मैम ये
Congrats.
इसलिए हो रही है, लास्ट ईयर बहुत इफेक्ट हुआ है इस बार मेरे को।
हाँ, that's a kind of 3 months preparation.
यस।
अल्टीमेटली आपके प्री बोर्ड्स आने वाले थे when you actually started preparing for your exams. But
यस मैम।
no doubt you have done really well. And what are your future plans?
मैम आई एम चूजिंग बीकॉम,
Okay.
BCom program with along with the professional diplomas.
Okay. You're going to pursue from Delhi University?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. ठीक है. Thank you so much. बच्चों, so next we'll invite the highest scorer actually, Miss Monzima from Bangalore, and I am feeling really proud, Monzima, that I was your teacher and you have achieved great, because I still remember when your parents actually called me, they were like कि she is performing really well in all the subjects but she is facing doubts and lots of issues in accountancy. So matlab we had a deal कि ma'am you just give me your support and I'll provide her maximum marks. So here you go, please share your experience for the last session PU.
Absolutely. I am genuinely honored to be a part of this discussion and this meeting today. This feels like I've actually achieved something. When I first started with my 12th grade, it was almost like I had no way out when it came to accountancy. All other subjects I was performing pretty well because somehow it got into my brain, but accountancy was very hard for me, and I faced difficulties from the very start. From the point where we start with the 3 golden rules, that wasn't clear, and the fact that I had to start with clearing my my base from 12th seemed like a nightmare. But the second I joined you, and the second you started helping me with it, uh, I saw a significant change in myself when it came to my accounts, because each and every day my base started getting clearer, and every single day I could see a change, uh, that whatever sums which was hard for me to even attempt, I used to leave it for later, so that once I know that I am done with it, I could do it. So, but now I never really left those sums. I started working on those sums first because that seemed exciting. And making accountancy seem exciting to me is a huge thing. And after I, started doing all of that, and after I, paid, it felt nice doing accounts, even though there were a few topics that I didn't like a lot, but it wasn't that bad. Accountancy wasn't that nightmare anymore. And I'm genuinely grateful to ma'am for it. And this helped me score 91 out of 100 in accounts, and I'm genuinely thankful.
I actually really got appreciated from all of you, yeah. Because I remember, matlab, every time I talk to your mom, she is like, "No, ma'am, now she has improved. Now again, now she has improved a lot. Now again, now she has improved a lot." Matlab, ultimately, every time I'm talking to your parents, they were like, the graph is going up and up. And I remember Pihu, for every next topic, you were like, "Ma'am, I was literally breaking my head for this topic. Is it really that one?" So I used to laugh, matlab, like that was really amazing. But your hard work has actually paid off, Pihu. So congratulations to you. Now, what are your future plans, and like
Thank
how
you.
would you recommend your juniors to make your accountancy easy? Because accountancy is a problem for many students, and however, if you are taking commerce, that means you learn accountancy.
My plans would include, I mean, if I have to state it in a very plain and simple terms, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to own something of my own one day, and which is why I'm pursuing BBA honors at Jain University, Bangalore right now. And because of whatever you've done for me, I cleared the entrance, that entrance of Jain University, and I'm very happy.
Yeah.
And I would, to all my juniors, I just want to say that uh, account isn't the hardest thing on planet, and it's coming from me. So it isn't the hardest thing on the planet. And I just want to say that it would be hard initially for anyone whose base in accounts isn't clear, but eventually things are going to get better the more you practice, obviously, and the more you get your basis cleared, the more you get your smaller concepts cleared. The smaller concepts that we usually leave out, like goodwill, trial balance, we just leave those chapters. Please don't leave those chapters. Please start working on them. Please start paying attention to every small detail. Eventually the larger sums are going to be easier. And be patient. Don't give up hope midway in one sum. That's it.
Exactly. Matlab, it's like, no, ma'am, I really can't do it. But you need to be very much strict. Ki you have to do it. It is not an option. You just have to do it. Matlab, Pihu, how
Right.
it feels great for you and your parents now. Like someday you were like kind of weak student in accountancy, and now you're recommended some of the facts to your juniors and to your colleagues. It's really
To
appreciable.
be honest, I can't believe it myself. I'm not the student who's supposed to sit on this side of the chair and talk about all this.
It's
I am the student who's like, go out, have fun,
Huh.
which is exactly what I'm doing right now, and study only when the time when you have to, and go out when you have to. There's time for everything. Just don't dedicate your entire thing into studying or entire thing into going out. Have a balance of everything, and you're good to go.
Yeah, really. And even I can see how excited you are for this such kind of interview. You are staying out of your home right now, and like I can see your background. So many of the people's moving
I
around.
came,
See, you are like, I really
I
want to
came out with my friends,
okay. Okay.
so
Mother, you are with your friends, and now you are taking interview.
yeah, absolutely. They're sitting right beside me, and some of them are there.
Say
They're
hi.
waiting for me to join them.
Congratulations. Now you
Okay,
can
wait.
enjoy your
Say,
face and enjoy. You can party. Thank you so much.
yeah.
And definitely
Bye. Thank you.
the best entrepreneur in your area. Go with it. All the best.
Thank you so much. So nice of you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So thank you, Monsima. Now I'll ask Ritika from Pune to share her experience, because she is a
Good
sweet,
evening, ma'am.
sensitive girl, which I have, like I have taught her accountancy only, but I remember she was very sensitive. She was like concerned, ki, ma'am, how would it happen? Ma'am, I'm having exams. She was very innocent for that. So Ritika, how's your
Ma'am,
experience?
so the
Sorry
thing
to
is, where
interrupt,
I
ma'am.
joined for 11th
Ma'am, yes,
grade,
you are
right?
Sorry,
so
Ji.
much
Sorry?
right with I agree with this thing. Ritika and I had a talk like after a week.
Hmm.
Ritika used to say, मुझे समझा नहीं है ये. If you remember,
Okay.
she used to say it like very cutely. मुझे समझा नहीं है, ये पता नहीं कैसे हो रहा है.
हाँ.
And our accounts teacher, वो ये है, वो ऐसे है वैसे. So like I was
Ma'am,
on the
so
same boat.
Hmm.
uh,
जो इसके साथ
Also, the
होता था
thing
वही
is, where I
मेरे
used to
साथ
go
होता
for
था.
11th grade, right? So I didn't have any CBSE or ICSE kids. All of them were state board kids. And unka obviously difficulty level was lesser. And the teacher who taught me, she taught me जैसे सबको सिखाते, but it was very just the concepts. And if I said कि मुझको समझ नहीं आ रहा, then she would be like, okay, go home, study it, समझ आएगा. So, and that's the reason my base wasn't completely cleared. And I was very concerned. You know, everything else I could do. I could do very well in all my other subjects. Accounts was the only one which gave me a lot of problem. And I was very, very concerned ki what will happen, what will I do in the boards. So that's why I think my mother contacted you. And it was very I was very apprehensive because obviously, like Genia said, online teaching and offline teaching is different, you know. And I was very apprehensive about how I could cope up, because offline, when the teacher is sitting in front of you, they're like, okay, do this, and then you sit and do it, immediately show it. So obviously there are barriers to communication in online, network issues. We face so many in our class. And there were so many times where I used to think what if online teaching wouldn't work, because when I saw in college online teaching wasn't that great, so I was very apprehensive about it. But I think after joining you, concept started getting clear. I remember shares was one chapter which all of us faced so many difficulties. You explained to us literally almost 3 to 4 times the same chapter over and over, and you made sure that all of us understood it. Like, it's not कि ऊपर ऊपर से समझ गया. You made sure every one of us understood it in depth. And usually teachers don't do that. They say, okay, I've taught you
My
once,
duty, we
let
actually
it be.
should do that. That's
But you made sure all of us understood each concept, and I felt like there wasn't any problem with the online issue at all. Whether if I wouldn't have, I still don't feel that it would have been offline better hota, yeah, anything. Because honestly, I think coming to you was the best decision I've made. And in fact, recently one of my juniors from school had asked me, where are you, John? Did you go for tuitions and everything? I was like, okay, see, this is my teacher. I went to her, give her your number and everything. And I feel like you'd really help me. And my fear, I had a very big fear of accounts, and I think you are the one who helped me overcome it and think, okay, maybe accounts isn't that bad also.
It
You
was
can
not
actually do it.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
No, it's all my pleasure. And the all credit goes to your hard work only, Ritika. And I'll again say that the way you used to ask a doubt was really cute in your classes. Now, what are your future plans, Ritika?
Ma'am, I've applied for a BBA in Symbiosis, Pune.
Hey,
And I've cleared my interview, my entrance, which
great.
was so tough.
Congratulations.
But I'm waiting for a call back now. I'm mostly sure I'll get it because everything went very smooth.
I'm
I'm
really
planning
proud
on
to be
pursuing
teacher of
marketing.
South Indian students. This week only I had a meeting with some of the chartered accountants. So they were asking me, you have students from your area only or like outside also? So I've actually appreciated South Indian students. She was shocked, like I actually had a different opinion for South Indians. I have actually explained that we North Indian and South Indians are like very, very different. Even in Gina, if you remember in our classes, Bubbling also, in our classes, these South Indian students were very much concerned, ma'am, I am having my interview, I need to prepare for entrance. And we all are like, "Ki, chalo, let's just have our boards first, फिर सोचेंगे ना क्या करना है." So it's really a big honor to teach you. Thank you so much. And
Thank
all the
you,
very
ma'am.
best.
Actually, South Indians are like, I think they are very much sharp with their brains. Like, if you ask ideas, like any kind of idea, we just stuck at some point. But with like this Ritika or Monjima, they are so quick with their answers. Like, this is this. I remember when Monjima just literally she told that there is one college in their side in what they list the, I think, models, like who just goes in some brands or
Mentions the
something
name
like
of the
that.
model, name of the college, and the her
Yes,
future plan. She
yes.
said, "Yeah, I wanted to be
Like
like
I
her."
was, yes, ma'am. मतलब 2 minute में ना, we get impressed.
हाँ,
कि इनको कितना
Ma'am,
कुछ
but that's
पता
the
है.
thing.
honest.
It wasn't strictly only accounts. You always cared about our college education, our undergraduate, because you used to, when I used to come to you and I used to tell you, okay, ma'am, I have this difficulty in my entrance exam, and I can't find this information. You took out time because it wasn't only accounts. You cared all around. You used to tell us, don't focus only on one subject, do
Yes,
other subjects.
ma'am.
So you do this also. English, do computers. I told you I had a problem with computers.
Yeah.
And it wasn't
Yes, ma'am.
only
You too
specifically one
helped us
subject
with the
all the time.
projects.
That is,
One at a time.
I was very grateful to that, because there are hardly any teachers who always, usually everyone cares about their particular subject, like sab chhod do, mera akhele ka karo, but you made sure that we did well all around, like throughout. And thank you so much, ma'am.
No, it's all my pleasure यार. Actually मेरे को ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है कि अगर आपको ईश्वर ने, आपको अगर भगवान ने इंसान बनाया है तो किसी दूसरे की मदद करने के लिए बनाया. अदरवाइज अगर आप देखें आपके आसपास बहुत सारे एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स होते हैं ना, तो कभी अगर वो भी चलेंगे, अगर उनको लग रहा है कि हमारी कम्युनिटी का मतलब हमारे ब्रीड का अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प देम. तो वी आर तो एक्चुअल ह्यूमंस. हम तो एक दूसरे की समझ सकते हैं, हम एक दूसरे की जान सकते हैं कि अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इट्स नॉट हाउ कुड यू अवॉइड समवन्स प्रॉब्लम. तो इट्स जस्ट दैट ओपिनियन. जीनिया, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that you even helped us with all the projects. Like not only
Projects were also such a big, you actually, you split up the work into 3, saying, okay, you do this, you do this. That made the process so much easier. That's what I was saying, ma'am. You didn't focus only on the academic part, like teaching, that's it. You made sure we had multiple revisions. You had those mock vivas where you sat and you asked us questions and immediately we used to answer, immediately we used to sit and solve. And I think that's a small thing, but it really impacts how you score, because sometimes children don't listen. You don't know what they're doing, especially in online education. You don't know what they're doing at home, whether they're actually studying or not. And you made sure that everyone was instant. Like you asked a question and you could answer. And that's what ma'am just
have
very.
to unmute yourself. It's not an option for you. Matlab, even in
Yeah,
current
and
situations,
ma'am, you made sure that projects, we never lacked in any aspect, whether it was for our vivas, whether it was for our projects, theories, anything. You made sure that each and every aspect of the subject was done clearly, and thank you so much for that, ma'am.
Thank you. It's all about the teamwork, Ritika. It's all about teamwork. अगर आप लोग मेरा कहना नहीं मानते तो हो सकता है ये नहीं होता. मैं बोलती ज़रूर हूँ ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स को कि I'll reach your home अगर आप मेरा कहना नहीं मानेंगे. But it is really hard for real life. But thank you so much for being so cooperative. आप लोगों ने अपने लिए hard work किया है, तो ultimately I am actually feeling proud कि I've taught you. Thank you so much. And मतलब ये तो मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा problem है. Saisri is a current situation, Mother, she is facing the current situation. She knows well that if there are like 5 students in a class, unless those 5 are going to say, yes ma'am, we have understood this, तब तक हम अगले टॉपिक पर नहीं जाएंगे. That's a मतलब kind of issue for me. Sometimes students feel like अरे यार बार-बार we have to put on and put off my mic. But it might be hectic for you now, but it is gonna help you a lot in future. All right, thank you so much. So it was all about the students which actually had classes for 12th accountancy, economics or business studies last year. Now actually I want to invite Saisri from Telangana. Even though she has not taken classes for her 10th standard, but I am really proud to teach her. I am proud that she is my student. So Saisri, you actually have to guide your juniors and your upcoming generations that how you actually made the strategies to crack your exams with really good score. And what is your current experience for your 11th commerce, because you have opted for commerce and you are actually planning for having some like kind of professional course in your future. So what are your current experience and your past performances? Over to Sai.
Okay. Ma'am, first of all, I'm comfortable speaking in English, but because today is Independence Day, I'm going to try and speak in Hindi, even though it's not my mother tongue.
Great.
So I just have that. So आज मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. आप हमें हमेशा encourage करते हो. Even though I only joined you, I think थोड़े ही महीने हुए, but आप इतना encourage करते हो हमें. So last year हमारा 10th का 3 दिन हुए थे स्कूल स्टार्ट होके और फिर लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हो गया था, तो वी डिड नॉट इवन गेट अ वीक ऑफ फिजिकल स्कूल. बट क्या हुआ था कि हमें स्टार्टिंग में बहुत स्लो चल रहा था हमारा, स्टूडेंट्स वर अनमोटिवेटेड, हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं था कि कैसा होगा, बोर्ड्स कैसे होंगे, एग्जाम्स कैसे होंगे. बट आई थिंक लास्ट 4-5 महीनों में हमने पेस पिकअप किया था कि नहीं, अभी प्री बोर्ड शुरू होने वाले हैं, मिड टर्म्स खत्म हो गए, हमें पढ़ना है. सो एक्चुअली ये बहुत बोलते हैं लोग कि नहीं 10th मतलब डे 1 से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, समर वेकेशन से ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. बट और फिर थोड़े बच्चे डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं कि अगर स्टार्टिंग से नहीं पढ़ा तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. बट दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. वो कोविड की वजह से सबको स्ट्रेस था, किसी ने भी नहीं पढ़ा था स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ईयर. और मैंने भी, मेरे दोस्तों ने भी, वी पिक्ड अप पेस. आई थिंक सितंबर अक्टूबर में हमने सीरियस पढ़ाई स्टार्ट की थी कि नहीं बोर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, करना है. सो मैं सबको, जूनियर्स को बताना चाहती हूँ कि डिमोटिवेट मत होइए. इट इज पॉसिबल टू क्रैक इट इन अ फ्यू मंथ्स ऑल्सो. इट इज नॉट लाइक अगर पहले से पढ़ा नहीं किया तो कुछ भी नहीं पॉसिबल है. सो मैंने सितंबर अक्टूबर में स्टार्ट किया था. रिविजन तो डिफरेंट टेक्निक से किया था. जैसे मैम भी हमारे 11th में कराती है, शी मेक्स वर्कशीट्स, टेबल्स बनाते हैं, नोट्स बनाते हैं, फ्लो चार्ट्स बनाते हैं. वैसे भी 10th के लिए ऑल्सो आई मेड फ्लैश कार्ड्स थोड़े बनाए थे सोशल वगैरह सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. मैथ्स वगैरह, मैथ्स तो सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस होता है, बट थियोरी सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए मैंने फ्लैश कार्ड बनाए थे और मैम के जैसे फ्लो चार्ट्स बनाए थे, वैसे बनाए थे. एंड मुझे भी नहीं लगा था कि अच्छा जाएगा मेरा, बिकॉज मेरा मैथ्स थोड़ा वीक था, हिंदी भी थोड़ी वीक थी. But by God's grace, I got 97% in boards. So I'm very grateful. तो बस ये है कि जब it's not कि पहले स्टार्ट करना है, लेकिन जब स्टार्ट करो एक चीज फोकस के साथ करो. एंड जैसे मैम हमें हमेशा एडवाइस देती है, उनका एडवाइस हमेशा सही होता है कि सुबह सुबह उठ के पढ़ाई करो. एंड जब भी स्टार्ट करो तब से सही से करो. इट्स नॉट लाइक अगर टाइम चले गया तो देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. So that is the advice I give.
It is the time actually you are going to utilize.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah.
So how's your current experience about your commerce education?
Yeah. तो पहले actually मैं अभी I am a commerce with math student, but पहले I did not take it. I was very scared of maths. And even when I joined ma'am, maths was not in my subject. Business studies was also not in my subject. मैंने सिर्फ accounts और economics किया था. लेकिन after studying for I think 1 or 2 months with Ayushri ma'am, मुझे ये लगा कि, and ma'am ने बोला था उन्होंने भी maths लिया था. So she encouraged us कि it is a good option. डरो मत subject से and change your subject. तो मैंने ma'am के inspiration से I changed my subject to commerce with math, and I took business studies as well. And अभी तक जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर जॉइनिंग मैम. पहले बहुत सच्ची बोल रही हूँ मैं, मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं था ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन में. मुझे लगा कि नहीं हमारे एरिया में कोई भी होगा, आई विल जस्ट गो. क्योंकि ये नोशन रहता है कि नहीं ऑनलाइन अच्छा नहीं रहता है, स्क्रीन से क्या पढ़ेंगे. बट वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम माई स्कूल रेकमेंडेड कि नहीं आयुषी मैम बहुत अच्छी है. तो आई थॉट ठीक है चलो देख लेते हैं क्या होगा. एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज सच अ गुड डिसीजन. क्योंकि अभी मेरे स्कूल में वीकली टेस्ट होते हैं, उसका एक राउंड खत्म हुआ है. एंड उसमें आई टेक अकाउंट्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स फ्रॉम मैम, एंड by I think ma'am's help and God's grace, I got full in both the exams.
Very good.
So it is the
it's
way
all
that
about
ma'am
your
teaches.
hard work, Lee. As I always say, it's about your hard work, your sincerity, your discipline. Matlab, why I have selected you to motivate your juniors, because there is actually a special something in you. I always say now that you are Sri and I am Shri. It's like a kind of carbon copy in North India and South India. All right.
Yes, ma'am. एंड ऑलवेज आप इवन मुझे स्कूल में दूसरा काम होता है, कोई कॉम्पिटिशन होता है, तो मैम हमेशा एडजस्ट कर लेती कि नहीं ठीक है क्लास सैटरडे को रख लेंगे, कभी और रख लेंगे, टाइम चेंज कर लेंगे. बट शी इज ऑलवेज सपोर्टिव विद द स्टूडेंट्स कि क्लास में भी अगर मुझे डाउट आता है किसी कॉन्सेप्ट में, शी विल एक्सप्लेन इट 2 times 3 times टू मेक श्योर दैट सही से हम पढ़ लें. सो आई एम रियली थैंकफुल दैट आई जॉइंड इन टाइम. And hopefully, because अभी 11th में join है, तो next 2 years I'm looking forward कि classes में आपसे पढ़ेंगे.
Always there in your service.
Thank you.
Yeah. And what are your future plans after your schooling?
मैम सो इनिशियली आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मुझे प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स में अच्छी नहीं हूँ मैं, आई विल डू लाइक समथिंग थियोरी, आई वाज थिंकिंग कि लॉ करेंगे कुछ ऐसा जो मेरा इंटरेस्ट था, बट सिंस यू नो आपसे जब मैंने पढ़ना शुरू किया था, नाउ माय इंटरेस्ट इज लिटिल मोर टुवर्ड्स फाइनेंस एंड प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स, क्योंकि यू नो आपके क्लासेस में यू हैव शोड अस शेयर्स के बारे में, यू टॉट अस जस्ट जनरल नॉलेज के तौर पे, आपने एक्चुअली दिखाया था प्रैक्टिकली डीमैट अकाउंट कैसे होता है, ये कैसे होता है, बिजनेस में भी यू नो यू टॉट अस, ठीक है मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन असली वाला ऐसा दिखता है, ये ऐसा दिखता है, तो बिकॉज वो रियल लाइफ का एक्सपोजर मिला है मुझे, नाउ आई एम ग्रेविटेटिंग मोर टुवर्ड्स फाइनेंस और अकाउंटिंग के साइड, क्योंकि वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ गया कि नहीं प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स आल्सो आई कैन डू, इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं सिर्फ थ्योरी में अच्छी हूँ,
You can do
सो
anything.
नाउ
You can do.
थैंक यू मैम.
I have always asked you, Saisri, you are going to make impossible as possible and within a go because you are disciplined, yeah. I always say to students ki discipline, punctuality is really very important for मतलब anything. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपको स्कोर करना है. अगर आप अपना एक नॉर्मल लाइफ भी बहुत अच्छे से चलाना चाहते हैं ना, if you are disciplined, trust me, you will definitely set as an example in front of others. Not only your juniors,
Yes.
not only your colleagues, आपके elders ही आपको appreciate करेंगे. You will set an example जो मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि शायद आपके colleagues को अच्छा ना लगे because their parents will scold कि आपने उस बच्चे को देखा how he or she is doing, right? But ultimately your parents are going to feel proud one day. बाकी सभी जितने भी मीटिंग में स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मतलब मुझे आज पंजाब के बच्चों ने ये बात याद दिला दी कि लास्ट 15 अगस्त को वी एक्चुअली हैड अ मीटिंग, राइट? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, वी हैड अ मीटिंग ऑन 15 अगस्त ओनली.
Yes, ma'am, where you helped us make a timetable for each person.
We have
Whatever
actually decided
subject
on
you
15
fear, you
August.
helped us overcome it.
You have to get independence from your fear, and my god, this is the same day. It was not intentionally. I really don't remember कि I have took such kind of meeting on last 15 August, but it's really great कि आपने एक 15 अगस्त से दूसरे 15 अगस्त में अपनी लाइफ में खुद से कितना बड़ा चेंज किया है, and you have actually achieved great. अभी आप लोग बहुत happily you are starting your graduations and all. Congratulate everyone. तो आज मतलब फिर से मैं एक बात ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि इंडिपेंडेंस का मैं अभी वी हैड अ रियली ग्रेट सेमिनार इन आवर पानीपत ब्रांच ऑफ NIRC फॉर दिस इंडिपेंडेंस डे ओनली, वेयर वी हैव एक्चुअली डिस्कस्ड कि इंडिपेंडेंस में सब कुछ क्या हुआ. तो आई हैव एक्चुअली अनाउंस कि इंडिपेंडेंस शुड नॉट बी ओनली फ्रॉम अंग्रेज. वो जा चुके हैं, वो सब हो चुका है. वी एक्चुअली अप्रिशिएट देयर एफर्ट्स और पेट्रियोटिज्म होना चाहिए, बट एक्चुअली इन डेली लाइफ, in our personal life, we need independence from our fear. We need independence from narrow mind. मतलब आप अपने barrier से independence लीजिए. So I actually appreciate all your efforts कि आपने किस तरह से अपनी अपनी life में you have taken initiatives to get independence from your fear. मैंने वहाँ पर भी एक रिक्वेस्ट की थी और मैं आप सबको भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि प्लीज़ बच्चों, if you are getting any kind of person around your area, if he or she is your elder, younger, your colleague, doesn't matter, लेकिन कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगता है ना कि you can help them, not in terms of finance, but you can help them in terms of motivation. आप उनका डर हटा सकते हैं, तो please do a favor to them. और अगर इंसान होगा तो ज़रूर याद रखेगा. And ultimately it's about you, that you have actually done, you have added in someone's life. It's really very important. So is there anyone who wants to say something, or should I close this interview? Is there anyone who wants to share any kind of experience to motivate our audience?
Ma'am, I just want to thank you once again.
Yeah,
For
it's
everything.
my pleasure. Yeah, available for you all the time.
रियल लाइफ में काफी मतलब बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है.
Until then, even I wanted to say thank you, because you know it's hard to find teachers who will motivate the students so much, जो उनको actually family की तरह support करते हैं, जो भी हो they are taking up. So you know you're motivating every single one of us on the call, and even all of your other students who are not with us today. So just thank you so much.
That's ultimately the motive of my life. Commerce for you is not about only my economic, matlab, to earn my bread and butter. It's not about that, you all know. But ultimately, आप अगर मेरे लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं, Commerce for you के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो मैंने आपको बताया, stay motivated, मोटिवेट योर कलीग्स, योर सराउंडिंग्स, और उनको किसी ना किसी तरीके से कुछ एक नेगेटिविटी को पॉजिटिविटी में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए प्लीज, ठीक है? आई विल बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. It was a great pleasure to have a meeting with you, to teach you last year. Thank you so very much. और अगर मैंने कभी आपको गलती से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डांट दिया हो तो I'm really sorry. Thank you.
No, man.
Thank you
बच्चों.
so much, ma'am.
Bye bye.